So welcome back guys. So I'm continuing this video by use that we have covered in the previous video, that is interface elements of a page. So I have covered like few of them in higher detail, but I want to highlight few more which are very necessary while working on the sites as a content author. So let me open the sites for you. We hit the sites console, we go under the v-retail language master English and our own like quality practice, and we can select one page. So I'm picking this time experience. Okay, no, I'm going to pick about us because there is a reason for that, so I will show you later. So I will click on the edit. So you can see currently it is under the edit mode. Okay, so I have covered this to you, so I'm removing that. I have shown you how to see the page information, but I forget to highlight one thing, that is emulator. Okay, so emulator is very necessary thing in order to create the responsive websites. So as of now, like you can see, this page doesn't have any content, so let me add some content here. Image. Okay, there is a carousel first, so let me delete that. Background, add image, makes. So I'm adding like images here, 1 2 and one more. I will pick 3. Okay, and by using this side panel, I'm providing 3 assets here. So this page is about us, so I will pick some uh, uh, related images. So I will pick these images, like first one is this, second one I will pick this, and last I will pick this one. Okay, and remember one thing, if you like uh, drag and drop the image on the existing one, then it is going to override that. So my work is done with the asset, so I'm removing that. Now you can see that currently the desktop mode is selected. Okay, so inside the desktop, if I hit on the preview button, so this is the site how it is going to look on the desktop. But you want like if I select iPad Retina, so inside the iPad, let me open the edit mode and go to the iPad. So you can see inside the iPad it is visible like this only. Why the pay images are not visible here? Let me refresh it. So it must be not the case. So yeah, there is no images. So let me like reconfigure that. Why, what is the issue for that? So let we, yeah, it is, yeah, okay, now it is visible. So it is due to the AM cache issue, but it will not going to work like as of my in your system. So this is how like the site will visible in the iPad Retina. Okay, so you can see on iPad Retina it is also responsive, but you want like I want to see in iPhone, so in iPhone also it is visible fine. Why? Very good. Now we will see on Galaxy S7. So you can see on Galaxy S7 it is also visible very good. But in case you want like on iPad Retina, two of the images will be in the single line.